Hello, this is New England Industrial Machinery, and today we're doing a video demonstration of a Bridgeport J-head 9 by 32 inch table, and it's in very good running condition. Everything works smoothly. It's fairly tight on the x-axis. Pretty good on the Y. Knee goes up and down, of course. Serial number 102980. Spindle speeds are 80 to 2720. 1 horsepower milling head. R8 colics. We'll go ahead and start it. So right now we're in high range. Power feeds work in the Quill. Forward reverse. And so we'll go ahead and change the speed on the belt. And the way you do that is we're going to take off that side cover, loosen up the head, pull it forward. And bring it up on the pulley. Of course, most of the time you're running it in the same speed as always. Push the motor head back, tighten it up. Close your cover, start your spindle. And the belt came loose. So, once you get the hang of it, you'll get it, and we'll try it again and tighten it. Got it. Try it again. And we'll put it into high range. It is high range, we'll put it into low range. So we move that lever to the back, and this lever in reverse, and we make sure that the gear engages with the Quill. I get a... Okay. Low range. So it's a really nice running head. There is no key in the Quill, like most of them, or a lot of them, and got sheared off somehow, probably over tightening, and there is a drawbar. All you have to do is tighten up your collet pretty well, and you should have no issues. So that's the machine. If you have any questions, be happy to help you. Give us a call. Thank you.